Welcome to this answer explanation video for multiply 3 digits by 1 digit. This video will talk through the answers to the multiply 3 digits by 1 digit worksheet and have a look at some of the tricky bits. Question 1. Order these calculations from smallest to largest according to their answers. Loads of maths for us to do in this one. Let's make a start with calculation A. The place value grids are there to support you, but I'm going to show you the answers using that formal method, showing our exchanges underneath that bottom line. First calculation then, calculation A, 140 times 6. 0 times 6 is 0, 40 times 6 is 240, so I can place my tens in the column, but I exchange the 200, and then 6 times 100 is 600, add on the extra 200, which gives me 840. Calculation B, 506 times 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. My ones go underneath my ones, and my 10 is exchanged into the tens column. 3 times 0 is 0, but I have my exchange 10 there, so I write it up here. And then 3 times 500 is 1,500, so we're using our thousands column there as well. Calculation C, 234 times 4. So we have 4 times 4, which is 16. My ones go in the ones column, my 10 is exchanged. 4 times 30, which is 120, plus my exchange 10, which is 130. My tens can go here, my 100 is exchanged there, and then 4 times 200, which is 800, plus the extra 100, 936. That's part 1 of the question done. We've got our answers to our 3 calculations. Next, we need to order the calculations from smallest to largest according to their answers. Having a look at what I have, my smallest answer is going to be 840. So my smallest calculation is A. Next will be calculation C, because that's 936. And then finally, calculation B, because it's my only answer which has 4 digits, so that must be the biggest. Question 2. Which calculation is the odd one out? Now, you have the place value charts, and you have 3 calculations. The answers have already been put in. I've written out the calculations again without the answers because I suspect we might need to do some correcting of the maths here. So we're going to work out the answers to each of the calculations, see if that tells us which is the odd one out. So we'll start with calculation A, which is 304 times 4. Again, hopefully we're getting used to this method by now and showing where those exchanges go. But let's have a look. 4 times 4 is 16. 0 times 4 is 0, but I have a 10 there. And then 3 times 4 is 12, but this is hundreds, so it's 1,200. That matches the answer that we've been given on our question. Let's have a look at calculation B. 3 times 5 is 15. My 10 is exchanged. 5 times 50 is 250, plus the extra 10, which is 260. I'll put my tens in there, but carry over the hundreds, so they're exchanged into the hundreds column. Finally, we have 200 times 5, which is 1,000, and I have my 200s there that I exchange into that column, so that's 1,265. Again, that matches the answer in our question. The final calculation, calculation C, is 540 times 3, so 0 times 3 is 0, 40 times 3 is 120, I'll place my tens there, my 100 is exchanged, and then 500 times 3 is 1,500, plus my extra 100, so 1,600. And I can see that's where the odd one out is, because we've got an answer of 1,620. On the calculations on the worksheet, we have 1,623. So my odd one out is calculation C. Question 3. Adam thinks that both of the multiplications below are correct. Do you agree? Explain your answer. Okay, we have 2 calculations and we're going to follow the same process. We're going to work out our own answers to them and then find out whether Adam is correct or not. Let's have a look then. 475 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so we have 0 ones, but we exchange 2 tens. 70 times 4 is 280. we need to add on those exchange tens, so 280, 290, 300. So we need a 0 as a placeholder, but this time we're exchanging 300s. And then 4 times 400 is 1,600, plus our 300s already. So we have 1,900. Now that's the same answer, so that looks good. We have the same exchanges in the same places as well. Let's have a look at the next one. 485 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, we exchange the 10. 80 times 3 is 240, plus our exchange 10, 250, but I'll exchange the hundreds this time. And then 3 times 400 is 1,200. Add the extra hundreds, that's 1,400, to give our answer of 1,455. Now, in Adam's calculation, he got 1,491, which is different to our answer. But we've worked it out. We know that we've got our exchanges in the right places. So our answer could be, I don't agree with Adam, because the answer to 485 times 3 is 1,455, not 1,491. That was a video explaining the answers to the multiply 3 digits by 1 digit worksheet from Classroom Secrets. For a videos tutorial on the same step, please go to kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more worksheets, go to classroomsecrets.co.uk. Thanks for watching.